Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to convert a quadratic equation to a factorized form. So the quadratic equation that is given to us is 2x squared plus 2x minus 12 equals 0. In order to convert the standard form to a factorized form, first of all, we're going to identify a, b, and c. A is 2, B is 2, and C is 12, negative 12. In order to put it on factorized form, I'm going to find the roots of this equation or find the solution of this equation. And I'm going to use the quadratic formula for that. So I'm going to use the formula for discriminant b squared minus 4ac. I am going to substitute the values a, b, and c here, and the discriminant will be 2 squared minus 4. Instead of a, I will put 2, and instead of c, negative 12. Discriminant is 2 squared, 4. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 12 is positive 96. So the answer is 100, the discriminant. Now we're going to use the formula for finding the roots of the equation, quadratic equation, negative b plus minus square root of d divided by 2a. So we're going to substitute all the values. x1, x2 will be negative b, so is negative 2. Square root of 100 is 10. Divide by 2a, 2 times 2 is 4. The roots of the equations are negative square root of 100 is, square root of 100 is 10. Okay, so now negative 2 plus 10 is 8 divided by 4 is 2. Negative 2 take away 10 is negative 12 divided by 4 is negative 3. Now, in order to write the factorized form of the quadratic equation is going to be written on that form. A x minus x1 times x minus x2 equals 0. So having said that, we're going to substitute all the values. Instead of a, we have 2. X minus 2 times x minus negative. This is the final form. If you like my video, please press subscribe and